Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you, student?
Good.
Alhamdulillah, we are in a good condition. Okay, before we're going to the material today, I have a picture. Can you guess the picture? What is it? Okay, do you know what is it?
Fried rice.
Yes, of course. It's a picture of fried rice. Have you ever make a fried rice?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone ever make a fried rice. And then, do you know the step to make it? How about the step? Do you know the step?
Fried rice and then we fry it.
Yes. We need a rice and then we fry it. Of course, it's called fried rice. Okay. I have a text here. You please say it. And then what you have to do is look at the text and then read it. For the first, the rule is if you understand each line of the text, you have to say click. You have to say what? Click. And then if you don't understand each word, maybe you don't understand the meaning, you have to say klang. So
Klang.
Yes, klang.
Yes.
While you are reading, so it sound click, 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 clang, click, click, clang, click, 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 clang. That's a sound like that. Okay, we read it.
Yes. Click, 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 click. Click, click, clang. Click, click, clang. Click, click, clang.
And yes, have you finished read it? Oh yeah, you are finished
More.
it. And how many click?
More there one.
Oh, you mean more than one, of course. Yes. And then how many clang?
3.
3. Okay. Oh, 3. What are they?
Interesting, paper, complementar.
And complementary. Okay. In Indonesia or in bahasa, interesting means menarik. And then pepper means lada.
Yes.
And then the third one, complementary, means tambahan. It's just that? Yes, you just say 3. Okay. Pause. Okay. What is the purpose of the text?
To make fried rice.
Yes, of course, to make a fried rice, just like a picture. And then, is chicken needed to make a fried rice on the text?
No.
Yes, there is no chicken in the ingredient. And then, is chili needed to make a fried rice?
Yes.
Yes, there are chili. And then how about a sugar? Is sugar needed?
No.
No, yes, there is no sugar. What we need to make a fried rice? Could you mention the ingredients?
Rice,
Yes,
egg, salt,
rice,
onion,
egg,
garlic,
salt, onion, garlic,
leeks,
leeks,
chili,
pepper,
oil,
oil,
tomato sauce.
and tomato sauce. Yes, and then is the process is easy for you?
Yes.
Oh yes, alright. And then how about the step? How many steps?
12.
Just 12 steps. And is the step of put egg and scramble until cooked is included on the text?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And what is the next step of that? After that, I mean.
Put white rice and
Put white
stir
rice and stir
until mixed with all
mix
ingredient.
with all ingredient, yes. And then okay, I think you have understand about the text. What the next step is, I ask you to read again the text and then you have to pay attention to the structure of the text, like what is the purpose and then the material or ingredient and then maybe the tool and then the step. You have to read again and pay attention to the structure and then the grammar. maybe using simple past or using simple present, and then you have to pay attention carefully. Is that using simple past or simple present? Okay, read, if you have read the text, the next session is I ask you to write a procedure text just like a model text that I give it to you. So what you have to do is write based on your experience. It can be how to make something like fried rice or making juice or anything, or you can make a procedure about the service like how to operate or how to do something. Okay. Okay, let's do it. 15 minutes. I think it's enough. Okay, please collect it to me. Your work. Okay, thank you. I will check it first. Oh, is that not appropriate using a simple past? Because please read again the model tag. It's using a simple present. There is no simple past. First, you have to remember use a simple present, and then I think you miss a comma, and then you don't write the ingredient. You just write the step. Okay, you have to write the ingredient, and then there is no title. You just write the step on how to make, what is it? Oh, an omelet, a scrambled egg. Oh, okay. You have to fix it again. Okay, it's time to collect it again. I will check it once more time. Oh, it's better than before. Okay, it will be your mark for individual assessment, and what you have to do next is you have to compile it to be a book. You have to gather your work to your friend. You have to compile all your work to be a book, so I can make the book as a project, so you will get a mark for the project. Okay, thank you for your attention. What we have learned is about procedure tag, of
Yeah.
course, and then what is the purpose? To make something or to do something. Okay, I think you have already understand about that. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Bye.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.